Very good morning, children. I hope all will see the video lesson and you all will complete assignment on time. And done message you will send in group before time. Children, work selflessly. Be sensitive. Care for others. You are one of the sweetest people. Therefore, learn to respect others. I hope you all will follow all these things. Children, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Operation on them, exercise 36. In that exercise 36, question number first, simplify. First question is given, simplify. 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. This one you are going to solve. After solving, we will see 4 options are given in our textbook. Which one is our right answer? First of all, we will solve the sum. Here 3x, as we are solving in our subtraction. Therefore, for before subtraction sign, all the numbers will be as it is. But after subtraction sign, the brackets, all numbers sign will change. For example, plus sign, 17 is carrying plus sign. Then minus into plus minus. Then minus into plus minus and 13y. After that, like term we will write with the like term 3x minus 17x minus 11y minus 13y. Here 17 is greater number. 17 minus 3, answer is 14x. 17 is carrying minus sign, therefore with answer minus sign. Here both the number is carrying minus sign, that is same sign. Therefore we will add the numbers, but sign we will write the same only. Therefore 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 1 2, 24y. So children, where this one is there, for example 14 and 24, from both this number 2 is common, therefore we will write 2. Then after that we will write 2 7 ja 14x plus, because minus plus minus, therefore we had taken common minus sign, therefore 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Means our answer is minus 2 in bracket 7x plus 12y. Which option is there? This one is 4th option. Option number 4th is correct. I hope you understood the sum. Now, when you are solving, that time also only don't write options directly. Solve the sum and write the option. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Second question is given, the product of 23 x square y cube z multiply by minus 15 x cube y z. Then here we want product of both these given number. So first we will multiply number with number, that is 23 multiply by minus 15. What answer you will get? 15 3 jar 45, carry 4, 15 2 jar 30, 30 plus 4 34 and minus sign is there, therefore we will put minus sign. After that we got product of minus 345 with the number 23 into minus 15. But here variables are also there. We will write variables, that is x square y cube z multiplied by x cube y z. So children, x how many times here? 2, here 3. Therefore add all x, that is 5. Then add all y, 3 plus here no number is given means 1 is there. Y 4, z 1 and here also 1. Therefore z square. Means your overall answer is minus 345 x cube y 4 z square. Which option is there? First one. This one is option number minus 345 z. Sorry, here z how many are there? Z in your question z 2 given. Therefore here also in your question z 3 will come. Here also 3. Means z1 z2. This one is lying in option number first. Means our option number first is correct. So children, in this way we had completed question number second. Now our question number third. Solve the following equation. Question number third. Third one is given 4x plus half equal to 9 upon 2. So children, here when you are solving, whatever the numbers are there with variable, one by one we are going to remove that numbers. For example, with variable 4 is there. 4x plus half. First we are going to try to remove this half. Therefore 4x equal to this half, we will take this side. When we will take this side, then with half plus sign is there. When it will go that side on right hand side, it will convert into minus sign. If you want, you can write like this way. Half minus half equal to 9 upon 2 minus half. Or directly you can write 4x and this half, from here only I am giving 4x as it is we had written. This plus half we are taking directly 9 upon 2. This half we are taking this side minus half. What will remain? Here 4x equal to 9 minus 1 8 upon 2, because denominator is having same number. Therefore we are subtracted 9 minus 1 8 and 2. After that 4x equal to 2 1 jar 2, 2 4 jar 8. Your answer is 4. Then x equal to 4 upon 4. Answer is 1. Therefore the value of x is 1. Now question number second. I hope you all understood. Next question. If you not understood, through the next question, I hope you will come to understand. Second one, 10 equal to 2y plus 5. What I told, wherever variable is there, with that numbers, that variable, with that variable, whatever numbers are there, that numbers we are going to remove one by one and step by step. Here 10 as it is equal to 2y. This plus 5 is there. Plus 5 when we will take left hand side, because it is in right hand side. When we will take plus 5 on left hand side, it will, the sign of 5 will change. Therefore, here we will write minus 5 and this side also 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 5 cancel. 2y. 2y. Then y keep as it is. This 2 bring other side. Then it will be 5 upon 2 and remove this 2. What is the answer of y? Y equal to 5 upon 2. If you want, you can write 5 upon 2 like this way also. I hope you all understood the given sum. Question number third one. Question number third one. 5m minus 4 equal to 1. Then with 5m minus 4 is there. This minus 4 we are taking on right hand side. Therefore 1 plus 4. With 4 minus is there. When place of 4 we are changing in other side, it will convert into plus sign. Then next one, 5m equal to 5. M will remain as it is and 5 upon 5 equal to 1. The value of 5 equal to 1. So children, question number fourth one. Question number fourth one. Here question number fourth is given. 6x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 8. Question number 4. 6x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 8. So, first of all, like term we will write with the like term and numbers we will write together. For example, 3x and 6x. Therefore, 6x and this 3x we will bring in left hand side. 3x is carrying plus sign. When we had taken in left side, the sign of 3x has changed. Next one, plus 8, as it is we had written with plus sign. And this minus 1 we had written in other side, that is it converted into plus 1. Next one, 6x minus 3x, 3x equal to 8 plus 1, 9. X will remain as it is. 3x is in multiplication. In between both this number 3 and x, no sign is there, means multiplication sign is there. Therefore, x we will keep as it is, equal to this 3 we will divide in other side, that is 3. 3 3 are 9. Therefore, the value of x equal to 3. So children, in the same way we will solve question number fifth one. Question number fifth is given. Question number fifth. 2x minus 4 equal to 4x plus 2. Question number fifth. What we will do? First we will remove the bracket. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 4, 8. 2 4 are 8. Here whatever the numbers are there as it is. After that what I told, like term we will write with like term. Try to write variable in left hand side. Therefore 2x, this 4x we had taken left hand side and this minus side we will take right hand side with plus 8. Then 4 minus 2, 2. Why we are subtracting from 4? Because 4 is greater number and 4 is carrying minus sign. Therefore, with your answer also minus sign. Here 8 plus 2, 10. Next one, x as it is write down. Then here 10 upon 2. And this minus sign also take in right hand side. X equal to 2 5 are 10. Answer is 5 and minus sign. Therefore, the answer of question number 5th, x value is minus 5. Now question number 6th. 6th is also same only. For example, question number 6th. 6th one, 5 x plus 1 equal to 74. First what you will do? Remove the bracket. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 equal to 74. Then 5x as it is. This plus 5 we are taking on right hand side. 74 minus 5. Then 14 minus 5. Answer 9. Here 6. Then x equal to, this one is 5x. 5x write down equal to 69. X equal to 69 upon 5. I hope you all understood the all 6 sum given in question number 3rd. So children, now in the same exercise word problem is also given. Therefore question number 4th one. Question number 4th one, word problem is given, that is Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their age is 27 years. How old are they? Question number 4th one. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. Write down, let the age of Sania equal to x year. Age of, otherwise write down Rakesh's age is x minus 5 years. Then next, according to the given question, write down sum of their ages. Sum of their age is x plus x minus 5. Sum, therefore plus we had done, equal to 27 years. Therefore x plus, remove the bracket, x minus 5 equal to 27. X plus x, 2x minus 5 equal to 27. Therefore, now as you had solved question number 3rd, in the same way, here also we will solve. Minus 5, we are going to take on right hand side. 2x equal to 27 plus 5. Minus 5 converted into plus 5. 2x equal to 7 plus 5. 12. 2 plus 1, 3. X equal to 32 upon 2. Answer is 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. The value of x is 16. So children, what you will write? You will write the age of Sania equal to x year equal to 16 year. The age of Rakesh equal to x minus 5, that is 16 minus 5 equal to 11 years. I hope you all understood the solved sum. Now question number 5th. When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Asoka trees by 60. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? So children, the question is same as you had solved 4th one. Planting a forest, number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Asoka tree. Therefore, which one we will take as Asoka tree? So children, we will assume the number of Asoka tree, that is question number 5th one. The number of Asoka trees planted equal to x. The next type of trees are jambul trees. Therefore, the number of jambul tree equal to how much? Greater than the number of Ashoka tree. Therefore, x plus 60. Now, all together is 200 trees. Therefore, sum of x x plus x 2x. This 60 we will take on right hand side. Two 7 ja 14, 2 0 ja 0. Means number of Ashoka tree equal to x equal to 70. Jambul tree equal to x plus 60, that is 70 plus 60 equal to 130. So children, I hope you all understood the question number 5th one also. Now question number 6th. 6th one, Subhangi had twice as many 20 rupee notes and she has 50 rupee note. Altogether she had 2700 rupees. How many 50 rupee note does she have? So in question number 6, we will write number of notes of 50 rupees. The number of 50 rupees notes equal to x, or you can write the notes of 50 rupees equal to x. Equal to x we had taken. Now the number of 20 rupee note. The number of 20 rupees notes equal to twice of 50 rupee note, 2x. Therefore, according to our given question, all together is 2700. Therefore, according to given question, we will write 50 into x plus 2x into 20 equal to 2700. Here 50x plus 40x equal to 2700. Addition of both this number 90x equal to 2700. X we will write as it is. Here 2700 upon 90. 1 0 cancelled. Remaining is 270 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 3 ja 27 and 9 0 ja 0. X equal to 30. So children, what is x? X is 50 rupee note, right? And your question is also asking that how many 50 rupee notes are there? Therefore, write down in answer, there are 30 notes of 50 rupees. There are 30 notes of 50 rupees. Or you can write like this way. 50 rupee note does she have? She have 30 notes of 50 rupees. So question number last, that is 7th one. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. The total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. how many runs did each of them make? So question number seventh one. Question number 7th is given. The scores made by Rohit. The scores made by Rohit equal to X. The score made by Virat equal to 2x twice. Therefore, Rohit scores how many runs? X. Otherwise, you can write the scores or the score. Yeah, you write down like this only. The scores made by Rohit X and the scores made by Virat equal to 2x. Then runs 2 less than runs 2 less. Then a double century, less than a double century. Double century. So children, in century 100 runs are there. Therefore 2 into 100 double century 200 runs. Now 2 less than means 200 minus 2 equal to 198. Means both of they made run rate, that is 198. They both, that is Rohit and Virat, both they made 198 runs. Therefore, according to our question, x plus 2x equal to 198. Then addition of x plus 2x, that is 3x equal to 198. X equal to 198 upon 3. Then 3 5 jar 3 6 jar 18 and 3 6 jar 18. Then x is made by, yes, x is the runs scored by Rohit. Write down the run scored by Rohit equal to 66. X means 66. The run scored by Virat. The run scored by Virat equal to 2 into, I will write like this way, 2 into 66, 2x, therefore 2 into 66. 2 6 jar 12, 2 6 jar 12, 113, 132. I hope you will understood. So children, here the run scored by Rohit equal to 66 and whatever the run scored Rohit, that double of Rohit, Virat made the run. Therefore, the run scored by Virat equal to 132 and both of them made 198 runs. So children, today whatever the sum as well as word problem we had discussed over here in this lesson, I hope you all understood. So children, practice all sum given in this exercise and all the sum I had completed. Therefore, practice all sum and whatever doubt is there, you can clear your doubt with the help of subject teacher. So children, be happy. Take care of yourself. Thank you children.